Stop everything you are doing right now. Are you feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or completely stressed out? What if I told you that in just 5 minutes, you can completely reset your nervous system and feel calm again? No medication. No expensive therapy. No complicated apps. Today I am revealing a science-backed stress relief technique that doctors, therapists, and high performers use to instantly reduce anxiety and regain control. This method has helped thousands of people overcome panic attacks, sleepless nights, and constant worry. If you are tired of feeling stressed all the time, stay with me. By the end of this video, you will have a powerful tool you can use anywhere, anytime. Let us begin. Stress is everywhere. Work pressure. Family responsibilities. Financial worries. Social media overload. Your body is constantly in fight or flight mode, pumping out cortisol and adrenaline. This is not sustainable. Chronic stress leads to anxiety, depression, weight gain, heart disease, digestive issues, and complete burnout. You need a reset button. And that is exactly what this 5-minute technique provides. It does not mask the symptoms. It addresses the root cause by communicating directly with your nervous system. This method combines box breathing with progressive muscle relaxation. It sounds simple, but it is incredibly powerful. Navy SEALs use it before high-risk missions. Executives use it before board presentations. Therapists teach it to patients with severe anxiety disorders. Emergency responders use it after traumatic calls. It works because it directly activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for rest, digestion, and recovery. It lowers your heart rate. It reduces blood pressure. It signals to your brain that you are safe. And the best part? You can do it anywhere. In your car. At your desk. In bed. In a waiting room. No one will even notice. Before we begin, find a comfortable position. Happens. Minute 3 introduces progressive muscle relaxation. Keep the box breathing pattern, but now add deliberate muscle tension and release. As you inhale, tense your feet and calves tightly. Squeeze them hard without causing pain. Hold that tension as you hold your breath. As you exhale, release all the tension suddenly. Feel the relaxation flood into your lower legs. On the next breath, tense your thighs and glutes. Hold. Release. Feel the warmth and heaviness. On the next breath, tense your stomach and lower back. Hold. Release. Let go of all the tightness. Continue moving upward. Chest and shoulders. Tense. Hold. Release. Arms and hands. Tense. Hold. Release. Neck and jaw. Tense. Hold. Release. Face and forehead. Tense. Hold. Release. By the end of minute 3, your entire body should feel heavy, grounded, and deeply relaxed. The contrast between tension and release teaches your nervous system what true relaxation feels like. Minute 4 combines everything into sustained practice. Continue box breathing. Keep the visualization flowing. Scan your body for any remaining tension. If you find a tight spot, breathe directly into it. Imagine the breath softening the muscle fibers. If your mind is still racing, acknowledge the thoughts without engaging with them. Imagine them as leaves floating down a river. Watch them pass. Do not jump in. Repeat a calming phrase silently to yourself. I am safe. I am calm. I am grounded. Choose words that feel true to you. Say them softly with each exhale. Let the rhythm carry you. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not force your breath. It should feel steady and natural, never strained. Do not skip the holds adjustments for different bodies. If you have asthma or respiratory sensitivity, reduce the count to 3 seconds instead of 4. If you have joint injuries or chronic pain, modify the tension phase to gentle engagement instead of tight squeezing. If you feel lightheaded, pause the technique and breathe normally until equilibrium returns. Always prioritize comfort over rigid structure. Pair this practice with supportive daily habits for compounding results. Maintain consistent sleep and wake times. Hydrate adequately throughout the day. Incorporate 10 minutes of daily movement, whether walking or stretching. Reduce evening screen exposure to protect your circadian rhythm. Eat balanced meals that stabilize blood sugar. These habits create a physiological environment where stress relief techniques work faster and last longer. Track your progress without judgment. Notice how quickly your heart rate slows after starting the exercise. Notice how often you remember to pause before reacting. Notice changes in sleep quality, digestion, and mental clarity. You do not need a journal or an app to measure success. Your body will tell you through subtle shifts in energy, mood, and resilience. Remember that stress is a natural biological response, not a personal failure. This technique does not eliminate life challenges. It upgrades your capacity to navigate them. You cannot control every external event, but you can train your internal response. That training happens in moments like this.